quick screen grab for you on the back of yesterday's class. So here we are back in Ableton Live, and I've got an acoustic guitar sample which is playing middle C, and it's just playing the same note over and over and over in a loop, so nothing extravagant there. What I've done is in audio effects in Ableton, this may be grouped for you, but you can right click and ungroup. There is spectrum rather, and you can just drag that down and install it, instantiate the plugin here. And you'll notice that this one looks slightly different, but they're the same, so we can, maximize or minimize the screen. So what I'm going to do is just show you what we were talking about yesterday. So I'm just going to loop this, and we're just going to look at the spectrum overview. I've tweaked some of these settings to try and best display what we're talking about. So down here, what you'll notice, hopefully, is wherever I am in the spectrum overview, you can see the hertz that I'm on, where I am in dB on the y-axis, and then what note I'm over, which is really handy to start mapping notes to actual frequencies, which might come back to the class discussion on pitch versus frequency. So just keep an eye down here, bottom left. Okay, so if we just loop this, you will see some things start to happen. And what we've got here is the fundamental, or the first harmonic. And that should be the case, that it's the loudest and the most prominent of all. And that's usually what we think the note being played is. And then if we cascade to the next loudest harmonic, we'll see it's also a C, this time C4. And then we have over here G4. So we've had two C's in the G. We've then got another C over here, C5. And then we go up and we've got E. So we've got three C's, a G and an E. And that is the notes required to make a G major chord, right? C, G and E, which is quite fascinating. And then the harmonics obviously cascade onwards, and there are all sorts of, they get tighter together up here, closer together. And this would be, the timbral stuff that the wood is producing, the steel strings are producing, the room we're in, the microphone, and all sorts of other things. But I just wanted to make a quick screen grab video to just kind of show you this in practice. I hope you find this useful.